I'm Neha Patel, Artistic Director of Surgeon Nartan Academy UK Limited. I welcome you all to the online program series of Nai Disha, curated by respected Smita Vadnekarji of Nupur Arts. I feel honored to be part of this online performance series supported by Art Council. I would like to thank Smita ji and Art Council for bringing this amazing idea to present dance forms from different regions of India, first time on the digital platform. It allows many new and talented artists to be part of it and gives them chance to share their arts and knowledge to art-loving audiences digitally. I'm glad to be one of them. Now today I'm going to perform some of my favorite dance forms from Rajasthan, Ghumar, Teratal and Kalbelia. They are now not so old for people to know, and Ghumar is a traditional folk dance of royal state of Rajasthan in middle western part of India. Ghumar means spin. In olden days in Rajasthan, women used to dance on welcome of the soldiers from the war or in the palaces on various occasions of royal festivals like Holi, Diwali, Gangaur, etc. Newly wedded woman does Ghumar along with the other ladies of the family used to be tradition in every generation of Rajasthani or Marwadi family. I'm going to share a bit of my personal journey, how I get into dance. I'm born in well-educated Brahmin family in India. My family, I'm the only one who is in the art field. My uncle recognized my talent at a very early age when I was just only 4 or 5 years of age old. I used to dance to any music and sometimes even without music. He thought to put me in the dance class which was running in my primary school as an after school activity. I started learning Bharatanatyam at a very early age at 5 years with my Guruji, Srimati Kashmira Trivedi, who is a gold medalist in Bharatanatyam and specialized in many folk dances. For myself, I can say that Bharatanatyam gives me very strong dancing skill, but I enjoy folk dances more than anything, and I really connect with the folk dances and it gives me immense pleasure. And I started my dance journey as a Surgeon Nartan Academy UK Limited as a registered business in 2015. And with the hard work, dedication, immense efforts and support of my friends and family, now I can say that in a little time it became an established name for providing best service in cultural Indian dance teaching and performing. In my journey in UK, I've been very blessed to receive great support by Academy, by Arunima Kumar Dance Company, International Siddhashram, Sri Swaminarayan Temple Kingsbury, many communities and many organizations. I came in touch with many artists and professionals throughout this journey, and they made significant impact in my overall journey, and I sincerely thank each one of them for being always there for me. Teratal is one of the most popular folk dance of Rajasthan and involves the skillful use of manjira, the cymbals, which are attached to various parts of the body on the clothing. These are hit with the manjiras they hold in their hands to create the beat that dancers move to. This dance form has been handed down through the generations and is now one of the oldest performing arts of Rajasthan and is performed by the members of the Kamada tribe, and the choreography can often include the balance of the pots on their heads. It will be performed together with Kalbelia dance. This dance is performed as a celebration and is an integral part of Kalbelia tribe of Rajasthan, often called Sapeda, snake charmer's dance. Kalbelia songs are based on stories taken from the folklore and mythological, and special dances are performed during the Holi. I hope you will like and enjoy these dances. It is my sincere efforts to spread rich Indian arts and culture through my dance to global audiences. Thank you once again to Smita ji of Nupur Arts and Art Councils of UK for inviting me to share my story and my dance on this digital platform. Thank you.